ગુડ મોર્નિંગ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. તમને બધાને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો હશે કે આજે આપણે કોની વાત કરવાના છે. તમને એ પણ યાદ હશે કે આઈ પ્રોમિસ યુ સમથિંગ. યસ, મેં તમને કહ્યું હતું કે વી વિલ વિઝિટ ગીર નેશનલ પાર્ક. સો આઈ એમ હિયર વિથ યુ વિથ અવર વિઝિટ. આર યુ રેડી ટુ ગો ગીર ફોરેસ્ટ? યસ ચિલ્ડ્રન, આપણે એક વસ્તુનું ધ્યાન રાખીશું કે ગીરની મજા માણતા માણતા અપાતી ઇન્ફોર્મેશન્સ આપણે ધ્યાનથી સાંભળીશું, કારણ કે આપણે એક્ટિવિટી 5A, B અને C એના આધારે કરવાની છે. તો ચલો જોતા જઈએ અને ધ્યાનથી સાંભળીએ.
હરિયાળી ગીર છે રૂડી, પવિત્ર પ્રેમ ગેલુડી, હે વેલોણિયું જાણે કૂપણા વાળી ને ઝાડવે વીટાય ગઈ, હે હરખ ઘેલી કોઈ બેનડી જાણે, આ હરખ ઘેલી કોઈ બેનડી જાણે, વાલા વીરને ભેટી રહી હયલડે હેત જામડા, વેલોણીએ ફૂલડા ખીયા, હરિયાળી ગીર છે રૂડી, પવિત્ર પ્રેમ ભેલુડી, કેસુડા કેરી આખોણીઓ ખીલતી થઈએ સૂરજ રૂપ, આ ટોચ ડુંગરેથી ચાંદલો ઉગ્યો, એ શિવ સરે ગંગ મુખરી સળિયું ડુંગરા ટૂકે, જોગી બેઠો આય ફૂફૂકે, જોગી બેઠો આય ફૂફૂકે.
Gir. The diverse landscapes providing habitation to innumerable yet interdependent life forms, the very embodiment of Mother Nature, the enchanting Gir forests. Spread over the Saurashtra region of Gujarat, the natural richness leaves an everlasting impression of awe. This natural spectacle, with marked seasonal colors, stands out even in the unique world of wilderness. Comprising of a mosaic of rolling hills highlighting the horizon, forests dense enough in parts to allow only a trickle of sunlight to peep through the canopy, to more open woods interspersed with grasslands, Gir is host to the fascinating world of unique flora and fauna. The secured wilderness of Gir forests is one of the oldest protected areas of post-independent India. The forest, comprising of Gir protected area, along with the Pania and Mitiyala sanctuaries, is spread over an area of 1,465 square kilometers. Situated in the western region of our country, Gir is one of the single largest tracts of dry deciduous forests. Along with the dry deciduous teak forests, thorny scrub forests, dry savanna type forests, and large expanses of grasslands also occur in this area. The Gir landscape has an assortment of hills, and while the forests bear a dry, parched look during the hot summer months, the arrival of the rejuvenating monsoon transforms the natural environment into a scenic sea of green. There are 7 rivers that originate from the Gir forests. It is only here that one can see rivers and streams flowing freely through large part of the year. The different types of forests, hill ranges and valleys create different microhabitats within the Gir protected area. This provides an ideal and conducive habitat to a variety of animals, birds and insects to flourish in. Approximately 500 species of flora, including 132 species of trees and 232 species of herbs and shrubs, flourish in the Gir protected area. This floral richness is the base on which 38 species of mammals, over 300 species of birds, 37 types of reptiles, and about 2,000 species of insects thrive, making Gir the ecosystem with rich life forms. And at the heart of this enthralling web of life is the Vanraj, the king of the jungle, the Asiatic lion. According to one study, the Asiatic lion was found in many regions of India till the 1800s, but by around 1890, it was wiped out from every other region except the Gir. The farmlands seen today were once forest areas where lions and other wild animals roamed freely. On receiving independence, the Indian government took administrative charge of Gir forests. In 1965, 1,412 square kilometer area of the forest was declared as a sanctuary, and in 1972, the Asiatic Lion Conservation Project commenced. In order to satisfy their social needs, lions disperse out into areas which may be within the protected area or where potential habitats are found, even outside the administrative boundaries of protected areas. During their natural dispersal for territory, lions undergo internal squabbles and also challenge aging lions from other prides. Ultimately, the young lions succeed in establishing their dominance and take their progeny forward. Even after doing so, the young lion still has to undergo constant struggles with other wildlife as well as the human pressures to maintain his territory and safeguard the pride. Despite lions coming into contact with humans, this regal animal has over the decades gained enormous affection from the nature-loving local communities, and there exists a bond of mutual respect. In a similar effort to establish prides and establish individual territories, lions have dispersed outside Gir protected area and Girnar in Junagadh district to places like Pania and Mitiyala in Amreli district, distant coastal areas, and also to an extent along the course of the Shatrunji river in Bhavnagar district. This is the reason why the state government has started extensive conservation activities under the Greater Gir scheme in 21 talukas of Junagadh, Amreli and Bhavnagar districts, marking around 10,000 square kilometers of this region. The cultural uniqueness of the people of Saurashtra is based on their affinity with nature. Gir, as Mother Nature, has a remarkable influence on the cultural ethics of the inhabitants surrounding Gir. The folklore and literature of this region provide significant evidence of the symbiotic relationship between Gir and the people living here. Of the 7 rivers that originate from Gir, huge reservoirs have been built on 4, namely Hiran, Shingavado, Marchundri and Raval. These reservoirs annually accumulate around 160 million cubic meters of water and provide for the needs of the villages of Junagadh and Amreli districts. Viewed as entry points in the entire region where lions roam, bus stops and railway stations were immediately kept under constant surveillance. Gir forests and the people of Gir have been internationally acclaimed with a unique identity due to successful conservation of Asiatic lions for nearly 100 years. This unique coexistence has not only placed the people of Gir and Saurashtra region, but also the people of Gujarat on the world map. It is in our hands to ensure that this pride and admiration lasts for centuries to come, and for this we will have to protect the Gir diligently from generation to generation.
આવી ગાઢ જંગલની એકે ગતિ વાતો કવિ રાજાએ કહી હે મોયા નદીયું કેરાની રય મારે હે નદીયું કેરાની રય મારે એ ઘૂગવે ઘેલા થઈ ગરવી છે ગરવી છે અગીર અમારી કાળજને પ્રેમ સરવાણી હરિયાળી ગીર છે રૂડી.
ચિલ્ડ્રન, આપણને ગીર ફોરેસ્ટની વિઝિટ કરવાની મજા આવી અને સાથે સાથે રસપ્રદ માહિતી પણ મેળવી. ચિલ્ડ્રન, આવી જ એક માહિતી આપણા ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં પેજ નંબર 5 એક્ટિવિટી 5 માં આપેલી છે. ચાલો તે જોઈએ. ઓપન પેજ નંબર 5. Yes, children, I am going to read the instruction. Listen it carefully. Activity 5A. Read the details about Gir National Park. Now, let's see the details one by one. સૌથી પહેલા આપણે જોઈએ સાસણ ગીર ક્યાં આવેલું છે. Children, look in the map. This is a map of Gujarat. Can you see? This is a map of Gujarat. We know that Sasangir is in Junagadh district. So, let's find out Junagadh district. Say children. This is Junagadh district. The part in green is Junagadh district. In Junagadh, Sasan is here. Can you see children? Sasan is here. And Veravali is here. We can say that Sasan is 42 kilometers away from Veraval. So, Veraval is 42 kilometers away from Sasan Gir. The Gir National Park is located 65 kilometers to southeast to Junagadh and 107 kilometers to southwest of Amreli in the Indian state of Gujarat. So we can say that Veraval is nearest town to Sasan Gir, right? તમે ડોક્યુમેન્ટરીમાં જોયું હશે કે ગીર અભયારણ્યની શરૂઆત દાયકાઓ પહેલા થઈ ગઈ હતી. But this Gir National Park was established in 1965.
On receiving independence, the Indian government took administrative charge of Gir forests. In 19